Hey guys! So, guess what I'm making from the What's for Dinner 21-day meal plan? Drum roll please. Yes, the honey barbecue chicken wings with the crunchy coleslaw salad. The wings are going to be nice and sticky like they've been marinating for hours. The crunchy slaw is going to be delicious, creamy from the mayonnaise, and I can't wait to just put it all together. Okay, my love bugs, so once the bag is open, we're going to put our chicken wings inside. Like so. Then sprinkle that KNORR barbecue flavor. Oh, come through. And then that honey. And then you're going to massage the baby. Massage, massage. Make sure every part is covered. I love cooking. Alright, so that's done. We're going to seal her up with this little blue band. And then that's going to go into the oven. In the recipe, it does say use red cabbage, but I don't have that at the moment. So I'm going to use these red onions, which are going to add a pop of color, and I think they're going to go beautifully with the dish. Guys, you honestly can't be looking at a beautiful plate of chicken wings without wanting to get involved. Come on. Yes! Wow. And if you're not doing that, you know it's not a sticky barbecue chicken wing. That is absolutely gorgeous. Everything you want out of a chicken wing. And that slaw, let me tell you something. If you're not going to What's for Dinner to try some recipes, you're missing out. I mean, wow, this is so delicious. 21-day meal plan makes your cooking life so much easier. Oh, you guys are still there. Oh, okay.